what's up, you guys? Styles here. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do us both a favor, subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, as always, much appreciated. So it is 2022, with the New Year's brings New Year's resolutions. For myself, I plan to be more productive, have more better quality content, and get my videos out in a timely fashion. Now, I recognize that my last video was like a month, and for that, hey, my bad. Thanks for not unsubscribing. So with that being said, this is all about me being more productive. I had some technical difficulties, so it's time to level up. And what's in this bag to help me do just that. Now, with the exception of maybe like an iPhone 4 and an iPad, I've been all about the PC Android life. So what's in this bag is a bit of a treat as well as just shock. I don't know about you guys, but have you guys ever dealt with Apple before? Their customer service is A1. I placed my order, and literally the next day, they had this in my hands at my door at the time that I specified. That's insane. The packaging here is premium. These guys are like the Starbucks of electronics. Now, I'm not going to get all techie with this. I'm just going to briefly show you guys what's in the bag, what's in the box, talk about the specs, and clearly the reason why I got them was because I need to have better quality videos. By the way, shout out to you guys for watching my videos. My editing, yeah, it was suspect. I admit that. But however, the quality was pretty decent. I got pretty good gear, but I digress. Anyway, so this is hopefully going to help me out. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the bag. We'll talk about it briefly, and if you guys are watching this video, the quality speaks for itself, I'm assuming. So anyway, you guys come closer, and we'll get this unboxed. Unbagged, and then unboxed. They've got the seal here, so we're just gonna go ahead and cut that, and then you guys can see what's in the bag and go on about your day. By the way, what are your guys' resolution? Leave me know in the comments below. Not to get on your business, but I mean, we're friends, right? Okay, so we went with the MacBook Air. Now the base model of this is gonna run you $999. I chose to upgrade it to future-proof it rather. I went with the 1TB SSD along with a 16 gigabytes RAM or memory, as they like to call it. And like I said, the main reason of this was to be more productive, as my old device just was not cutting it. You see here, we got the standard Apple box. This box just feels like Christmas. And it smells like your birthday. These boxes are even like a resale item. You want to make sure you keep that as well. It's going to maintain the integrity of your device once you go to resell it. I went with the space gray option. This thing is super nice. Look at that finish. Now they did do away with the glowing apple. So like I said, I won't go into the details. We'll let the editing speak for itself. Once again, this is the MacBook Air. I went with the 16 gigabyte memory and the 1 terabyte SSD. You got your lightning cable, standard brick. I don't know how many watts this is. If you care to know, I'll leave it in the description below. I also went ahead and picked up the Magic Keyboard. Price of this is going to be $99.99. We'll just call it $100. This keyboard is so responsive. We're going to be uber productive. At the very least, very stylish.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Not right now. And we also got the Magic Mouse. This is retailing $79 before tax. And now what sold me on this was the sleek design as well as the functionality that we'll get into in a later video. This is just the simple unboxing and my overall impressions, but it's Apple. What else would you expect, right? But this is going to be the same aluminum that the Mac is made out of. This thing is all touch. There's no scroll wheel. From the videos that I've seen, yeah. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys be kind. I'll see you around sometime. And oh yeah, don't forget to tell a friend.